Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners. I'm your host, Anna.
And I'm Mark. Hi everyone.
Today's episode is all about English at the restaurant. How to order food, talk to a waiter, and feel confident when you eat out.
Oh, perfect. I always get nervous when I have to order in English.
Don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll sound natural and polite. We'll go through greetings, ordering, asking for the bill, and even handling problems politely.
Great. Let's start.
Before we go to the restaurant, let's learn some important words and phrases. Key vocabulary. Menu, the list of food and drinks. Waiter/waitress, the person who serves food. Order, to ask for food or drink. Bill/check, the paper that shows the price. Reservation, booking a table in advance.
Can I say, I want chicken when I order?
You can, but it sounds a little direct. It's more polite to say, I'd like the chicken, please. Could I have the chicken, please?
I see. And could I have sound softer?
Exactly. Those are polite and friendly. Perfect for restaurants. Role play 1 at the entrance. Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Mark Smith.
Great. Right this way, please.
Thank you.
If you don't have a reservation, you can say, No, I don't. Do you have a table for 2? Can we get a table by the window, please? Use please and thank you often. They show politeness and confidence. Once you sit down, the waiter usually asks, Can I get you something to drink?
And I can answer, Yes, I'd like an orange juice, please. Or, just water for me, thank you.
Perfect. Let's practice dialogue. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a lemonade, please.
Certainly. Anything else?
No, that's all for now, thank you.
Excellent. Clear, polite, and natural. Now it's time to order food. The waiter may say, Are you ready to order?
And I can say, Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Or if you need more time, you can say, Not yet. Could we have a few more minutes, please?
That's useful. Sometimes I'm not ready. Role play 2, ordering food.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I like the spaghetti with tomato sauce, please.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, a small salad, please.
That's perfect, short and polite. Vocabulary tip. Main course equals the main part of your meal. Side dish equals food that comes with your main meal, like salad or fries.
Sometimes I don't understand the menu. What can I say?
Good question. You can ask, What's in this dish? Is this spicy? Does it come with rice? Can I get it without cheese?
Example. Excuse me, what's in the seafood pasta?
It has shrimp, mussels, and tomato sauce.
Great. I'll have that, please.
While eating, the waiter may come and ask, How's everything? Or, Is everything okay?
I can say, Everything's great, thank you. Or, It's delicious.
If there's a problem, you can say it politely. Excuse me, this soup is a bit cold. I'm sorry, but I ordered chicken, not beef. Use a calm voice and polite words. It always helps.
When I finish eating, how do I ask the bill?
You can say, Could I have the bill, please? Can we pay, please? Check, please. More common in the U.S.
Example. Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?
Course, I'll bring it right away. When the waiter brings it, you can say, Thank you very much. In many countries, you usually pay at the table. In others, you may go to the counter. Let's review today's restaurant English.
Number 1, how to book a table.
Number 2, ordering food and drinks politely.
Number 3, asking questions about the menu.
Number 4, dealing with problems politely.
And number 5, asking for the bill.
That's right. Now, your challenge. Go to a cafe or restaurant this week and practice at least 2 of these sentences in real life.
Great idea.
Remember, confidence comes from practice. You can do it.
Thanks for joining us today, everyone.
This was English Podcast for Beginners. See you next time, and enjoy your meal.